welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this stunning metallic teal eyes paired with this gorgeous nude lip, which is perfect for the wedding season and for the parties. And I think this sort of makeup look will make you stand out even in the crowd, and it's really easy to create. So I hope you will like this video, and if you want to know how to get this stunning metallic teal eyes look, then please keep on watching. So today guys, I'm gonna do my eyebrows at first, and for the brows I'm using an eyebrow pomade, and this one is from L'Oreal. So the shade Ebony actually matches me perfectly. So following the natural eyebrow line, I'm gonna just line my eyebrow like this. So the formula is really nice guys, it's long lasting. Now using small strokes, I'm gonna just fill in the gaps of my eyebrows like this. So it's really easy, you can easily do it. I'm just doing the same on my left eyebrow, and now I'm taking a spoolie and just brushing this out to just evenly distribute the product all over my brows. For the foundation, I am using my current favorite, and this one is from MILANI. So the formula is really thick, you can see, but it's really a very good full coverage foundation. So with the help of my fingers, I'm gonna just spread it all over my face like this. I have done a complete in-depth video on this guys, you can just click on that eye to watch it. So taking a beauty sponge, I'm gonna blend this foundation, and you can see this has provided me such a nice full coverage, and the finish is even more nicer because it will provide you a very nice glowy dewy finish which looks almost luminous. For the concealer, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. You can use any concealer you have in your collection. So this shade doesn't look that much highlighted on my face, so I'm just gonna conceal my face with it. So I'm putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow around my mouth, and just gonna blend it with the help of the same sponge. So it has also got a very nice coverage and has a really nice finish. Now to set my concealer, I'm using a translucent powder. You can use any loose powder or even compact powder. With the help of this PAC 003 foundation blending brush, I'm gonna just set my under eyes like this. I'm just not gonna bake my overall face, but just gonna set my overall face with the help of this translucent powder. For the eyes, I'm using one of my favorite palettes, and this one is from ColourPop. It's the ColourPop Dream Street palette, and at first I'm gonna take the shade Potion, which is a rusty orange shade, and in a blending brush I'm gonna just blend it all over my crease like this, and you can see it's really pigmented, so you have to work very slowly and build up the color all over your crease. Now I am taking this dark teal shade from the palette, which is known as Water Bearer, and in a tapered blending brush I'm gonna put it in the outer corners of my eyes, and using very slow motion I'm gonna just drag it towards my crease to create a gradient. So you just need to blend it very well. Going back to the previous transition shade, I'm gonna blend it again to make everything even out and less harsh. Now this is the star of the show. It's a metallic teal from the palette, which is called Mermaid Boy, and with the help of a flat shaded brush I'm gonna just put it all over my lid like this. You can use any metallic shade you have. So I'm just putting it all over my lid like this, and you can see it's so pigmented, it doesn't have that much fallout, so I'm really happy with this shade. Intensifying that dark teal shade again in the outer corners of my eyes, and followed by the previous transition color all over my crease so that there will be no harsh lines. So going back to this shade called Potion, and for the lower lash line I'm just gonna take it in a fat smudging brush and put it all over my lower lash line like this. Now I'm gonna take this matte teal shade from the palette and put it in the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. Taking that metallic shade from the palette, I'm just gonna put it in the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line. So you have to blend it very nicely to just make it everything even out. So this is how my eyes are looking now. Now going back to the palette, I'm taking this champagne shade from the palette, which is known as Sweet Dreams. I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone with it. And also we'll be putting it in the inner corners of my eyes to just open up my eyes and just highlight my inner corners. For the kohl, I'm using this Sugar Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade Blackout. So it's really pigmented, it's jet black, it's smudge proof, waterproof. So just tightening my eyes with it. You can use any kohl you have. So for the liner, I'm using a felt tip liner which is green in color, and this one is from L'Oreal. So it's unique, it's different. So I'm just gonna draw a regular winged eyeliner with the help of this liner. So using small strokes, I'm just drawing the wing of my eyes. To finish this off, I'm just using a mascara, and this one is from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, which just lengthens your lashes so well. So adding 2 good coats of this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. So you can see this is how it's looking now. For the false eyelash, I'm using this PAC MINK eyelash number M75. So now it's time to do the rest of my face. So for contouring, I'm using this contouring shade from this LA Girl blush collection palette, and this shade is a little bit reddish on my skin, but it just pairs up very nicely with this look. So I'm just gonna put this contouring shade in the hollows of my face, on my forehead, jawline, just to contour my face. And I'm just gonna contour my nose as well to make it even more structured and defined. Taking the second shade, which is the second blush shade from the palette, I'm just gonna pop it on the apples of my face like this to add a little bit of warmth and color to my face. For highlighting my face, I'm gonna use this shade called Precious Petals from Wet n Wild, and with the help of a highlighting brush, I'm just gonna put it on my cheekbones, on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead, where you just need to add a lot of glow. So you can see it is looking so much glowy and nice. For the lips, I'm using this NYX lip lingerie in the shade Exotic, which is a peachy pink nude, and it has got a lot of warmth in it. You can use very nude shade for this look as well. So I really like this lip shade, guys. It's one of my favorites. Now to seal everything, to make your makeup last for a very longer period of time, you just need to set it with the help of a setting spray. So taking this setting spray, I'm just spritzing it all over my face, and this is the finished look. So this is how it turned out, guys, and I'm really happy with the finished look. And if you just like this video, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't already. More videos will be coming soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Love you.